Hi everyone, I am Jeevitha, Assistant Professor of Botany, Department of Botany, Pope's College, Thuthukudi, Tamil Nadu. Now I'm going to give some interesting lecture about the wetland. What is wetland? We are always seeing so many wetlands, but these are the wetlands. What is the uses? Just it is a stagnant water. It gives us some swells, but it also gives some importance to the environment. What are wetland? Wetland are an area of land where water cover the soil in all year or at just a certain times of the year. A land is covered with water for a particular season or in every year. I give some example to water, wetland and swamps, marshes, lake, lagoons, slot marsh, mangroves, coral reef, etc. Wetlands is also maybe a natural or a artificial. We also develop a wetland. In wetland, the water should be a static or flowing. It is a stagnant water or it is a running water, for example river, and it may be a fresh water or a salt water, or it is also a brackish water. There are even underground wetland is also founded. These are photos. I give some example about the wetland. Salt marsh, mudfloods, mangroves, coral reefs. Why wetlands are important? What is the importance of wetland? First, it reduces the wave action of the sea. Then it reduces the impact of flood. It also absorbs pollutant in the water, and it also improves the water qualities. Next, it provides a habitat for plants and animals. It gives us a place for plant and animals, and it gives a wide diversity of their life, supporting plants and animals. It also play important role in the environmental, social and economic levels. It also gives a great natural beauty and many of importance of aboriginal plant peoples. It is also used in the industries, for example nurseries of fishes. Then World Heritage Western Site, important habit of the biodiversity. They also threatened by pollution, climate change, dams and over exploitations. Wetlands also play a vital role in feeding and breeding grounds for migrated birds. Classification of wetlands. Normally wetland is classified into three types. One is marine or coastal wetland. I give some example for marine wetland, coral reef, rock crevasse, intertidal marsh, etc. Then next, inland wetland. I give also some examples for seas, permanent freshwater marshes, permanent saline water, permanent freshwater lakes, so for freshwater springs, etc. Human-made wetlands, aquaculture pond, irrigated land, and in paddy the land is filled with water. It is also said to be a wetland. Lastly, World Wetland Days. This 2020 year is a very grateful year for everyone, but in wetland and biodiversity, the international theme for wetland days is 2020 is wetland biodiversity. What is wetland biodiversity? Wetland biodiversity contribute to ecosystem resilience. Resilience means it is gives us birth to new clean water, water supply, storm protection, carbon storage, health and wealth-being tourism and recreations and the jobs. Biodiversity is the foundational value of the wetland. It is the basic and it is inheritance part of the significance of this ecosystem. This year we celebrate the Great Valley of Wetland and their biodiversity. Wetland is one of the most important things. So in wetland, so many animals and birds life is interpret there. So we save wetland and save biodiversity and save ecosystem. Thank you.